Brooklyn Beckham's 8-minute cooking show costs a staggering £74,000 an episode to make. Cookin' with Brooklyn sees the aspiring chef, 22, rustle up some of his favorite dishes on Facebook Messenger's streaming service Watch Together. 2. Brooklyn Beckham's new cooking show costs a fortune to produce. 2. Brooklyn Beckham is taught to cook by Nobu Matsuhisa. Dishes include a bagel stacked with hash browns, tortilla wraps and juicy steaks. His Facebook show reportedly has a crew of 62 people working on it, including a culinary producer, 5 cameramen and another 9 producers. A source told the New York Post, "It's unheard of. It's the sort of crewing you would expect on a big TV show." The photographer has no formal training when it comes to cooking, but Gordon Ramsay is a family friend who has taught Dad David many tricks over the years. And part of Brooklyn's show sees him receive lessons from world-famous chefs like Nobu Matsuhisa, the mastermind behind the Japanese restaurant Nobu. But despite being a novice in the field, he is committed to honing his craft. He said in a trailer for the series, "My name is Brooklyn Beckham and I just love to cook. I'm not a chef yet. This is the start of my food journey. I love making food for people that I love and that I enjoy hanging out with. I'm going to work my arse off and see where I get. I'm getting goosebumps about it, but I'm so excited." Last year Brooklyn appeared on the Today Show in the US to put together a classic breakfast sandwich. But the segment was criticized by many who claimed he was just whacking items in between pieces of bread. Brooklyn's brainwave for his cookery show came from cooking for his fiancée Nicola Peltz. He said, "I've always loved food and obviously when quarantine hit I just really started to get into it. My fiancé, Nicola Peltz, started filming me and I started posting it and it's just something I love doing."